What's good, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And man, y'all, I just left the gym right now, man. And listen, I just went through a situation that I know only chosen ones go through this. Strictly chosen ones, not the less than smart ones. Once they hear what I'm talking about, they'll be like, what the hell is this guy talking about? Switch off, swipe up, swipe left, you know what I mean? But listen, chosen ones, you know about this. I just left the gym, right? Yo, why I felt like literally I was like, listen, I'm not, you know what I'm saying, no cocky, whatever. I'm confident, but I'm not like no cocky, arrogant type of person. Like, but yo, you know when people are just like staring at you, like, chosen ones, why do we get stared at constantly? Like, what the F? Like, you really feel like, yo, do I got something on my face or something? Or am I an alien? Or like, what are these people seeing like that I'm not seeing? I looked in the mirror before I left the house. I didn't see anything on my face. I didn't see, all I seen was my regular face. So why are these people staring? Like, what the F is going on? Chosen ones, let me tell you what's going on, man. Let me tell you what's going on. Do you understand, chosen ones, that you have a dump truck of aura? Oh, you literally have a dump truck of aura. As soon as you walk through the door, these people could feel it. The whole atmosphere literally changes when you walk through the door. You're like a supernova walking through the door. Me too, because I do it all the time. Yo, I was on the treadmill running my ass off, literally. I got my head down. All I see is the sweat trickling, just dropping down, puddles of sweat. Feel me? Yo, I look up. Yo, why like 3 people all in a row, like all behind each other, just stare. Like, literally, as soon as I look up, they're like, one, 2, 3. I'm like, yo, y'all was looking at the kid, yo. Like, y'all was looking at the kid, feel me? Fellas, chosen one fellas out there, y'all know what I'm talking about, especially with these women. They be lurking like little cats. Yo, these little feline ladies are y'all not slick, ladies. You are not slick. I see y'all looking while I'm in there sweating like a damn bald gorilla, for real. I know y'all see me. I be in there beating my chest and everything. I know they be just like, oh. But they say they looking, but they ain't talking, feel me? Because it's look but can't touch, baby. Hands off the merchandise, baby. Oh, that's why. But the point that I'm making is, chosen ones, you have this crazy amount. You have celebrity energy on you. Like, you have no idea. You get what I'm saying? I'm about to pull over so I really get into the facts of this thing. Listen, yo, you have celebrity aura. You know what I'm saying? Permeating all over you, chosen one. Me too. That's why I'm making this video as a confirmation out there for y'all that go through these things. Maybe some of y'all chosen ones, y'all new to this. You know what I'm saying? But I'm true to this. And listen, it's the truth. Your aura and your energy is what's making these people's heads turn as soon as you walk through the door. Don't let them hear you speak. Don't let them hear the intellect you have. Oh my God. If they hear you speak, bro, they'll probably give you a Nobel Prize. Because we're living in the times where, like, all right, that's another video. I'll bring it up another time. The point that I'm making is, chosen ones, yes, some chosen ones, yes, we're sexy, we're top of the line, we're dimes, feel me? So that's why we get looks from the superficial folks out there. So they're looking and stuff like that. Me? Oh yeah, I look good, but I know, feel me? I know I'm not like Denzel or whoever you might want, Michael B. Jordan. But listen, I might not be a dime, but I'm a diamond. You get what I'm saying? Under the pressure that I had to go through, forged the diamond inside of my heart, baby. I'm not a dime, but my heart is a diamond. And diamonds what? Last forever. Chosen ones, keep doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna keep staring because they know we the we the light, baby. You know what I'm saying? Star seeds, feel me? They man, listen, I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Hit me in the comment section if y'all getting stared at constantly too, man. One love.